Connecting your Roku device to Wi-Fi.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common question that often comes up when setting up or changing the network settings on a Roku device. Where do I enter my Roku Wi-Fi password during setup or when connecting to a new network?
Starting up your Roku device.
Once you've connected your Roku device to your TV and turned it on, you'll see a series of setup instructions on your screen. If you're starting the device for the first time, this is part of the initial setup process. If you're changing network settings, you can navigate to these settings from the main menu.
Navigating to network settings.
To change your Wi-Fi network, use your Roku remote to go to the main screen. From here, follow these steps. 1. Select Settings from the main menu. 2. Scroll down and choose Network. 3. Then select Setup Connection. If you're setting up the Roku for the first time, the device should prompt you to connect to a network as part of the initial setup process.
Selecting your Wi-Fi network.
Once you're in the Setup Connection menu, you'll see a list of available networks. 1. Scroll through the list and select your Wi-Fi network. Remember, you'll need to know the exact name, SSID, of your Wi-Fi network.
Entering your Wi-Fi password.
After selecting your network, your Roku device will prompt you to enter your Wi-Fi password. 1. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter your Wi-Fi password. Be sure to enter it exactly as it is, since Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. 2. Once you're done, select OK or Connect. And there you have it. You should now be able to connect your Roku device to a Wi-Fi network. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, ensuring a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is key to enjoying a seamless streaming experience with your Roku device. Happy streaming, everyone!